ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Oh no!
Hello, I'm Emma.
And I'm Richard, and welcome to Halton Libraries.
We both work at Halton Libraries and we're going to tell you everything you need to know about this year's Summer Reading Challenge.
And all the events, groups and activities we have at Halton Libraries during the school holidays too. So, what is the Summer Reading Challenge?
The Summer Reading Challenge takes place every summer all across the country during the school holidays. It's for children like you.
The challenge is to read 6 books during the summer. Do you think you can do that?
This year, the Summer Reading Challenge is called Ready, Steady, Read and has a sports and games theme.
Hey! Join Alicia, Naomi, Naveen, Noah, Ollie and Sophia as they spend their summer joining in sports, games and reading.
And at Halton Libraries we will be having lots of games and sporting events over the summer for you to join into. More about that later.
So, how do you take part in the Summer Reading Challenge? Well, you need to sign up at any of our 4 libraries. Halton Lee, Widnes, Ditton or Runcorn Library.
Thanks Richard. Signing up to the Summer Reading Challenge is totally free. It doesn't cost anything to take part in the Summer Reading Challenge and you can sign up anytime from Saturday the 15th of July.
You'll need a library card to take part in the Summer Reading Challenge. If you're not a member, you can sign up online via our website or at your nearest library. Joining the library is free too. So what happens next?
Well, after you've signed up to the Summer Reading Challenge, you'll receive a collector's folder. And each time you finish reading 2 books, you can come in and collect 2 stickers and a prize.
Some of the stickers are smelly. Once you've read all 6 books, you can get a medal and certificate. But don't stop there. Why not carry on reading more books?
But what can you read for the Summer Reading Challenge? Richard, what would you suggest?
Well, Emma, you can read anything you like. We have loads of books in our libraries to choose from. Storybooks, picture books, or even fact books.
That's right, you can read anything that is of interest to you. You can even listen to a book if you wanted to. Why not try our Borrow Box app?
You can read comic books like Evil Emperor Penguin, or puzzle books like Where's the Toilet Roll? There are loads to choose from.
If you need help choosing a book, why not try the Summer Reading Challenge book sort? This can be found on the Summer Reading Challenge website.
Halton Library's website has book lists on it. Or just come into the library and look at our quick choice selections in the junior area.
Or you could ask one of our brilliant library information assistants. So, there you go. Everything you need to know about this year's Summer Reading Challenge.
But that's not all.
Not even close, because at Halton Libraries this summer we have all of this for you to enjoy.
We hope to see you all at one of our libraries this summer.
See you soon.
Ready, set, read!